So it is 8:30, is it? Or nearly 9 o'clock.
8:33.
8:33, and we are heading off to the Trevi Fountain. I'm just in my blue little dress. I curled my hair this morning, not sure how I like it, but I wanted to look cute at the Trevi. The Trevi Fountain gets super duper duper packed, so everyone says to go early. So this is as hello.
Hello.
Morning. This is as early as we're getting, so I'm excited. And we're gonna throw a coin. Is it your left arm or your right arm?
I don't know.
I have to Google. Don't want to give us bad luck. Here is the Pantheon. You can't really see because my camera's so bad. Wait, there we go. We're gonna do that not today because you have to book today because it's a Sunday. So it's pretty busy. I think they're probably having a mass or something. There's a fountain. But yeah, we're just walking through whatever plaza this is. So we're getting to it. Let's have a look. Ah, it looks so good. Here we are at the Trevi Fountain. It's not too busy just yet. We are now out for brekkie. So the Trevi Fountain's right there. We've come to this place and I'm so excited because they have a pet menu. Ooh. And a pancake menu. Let's just ordered some pancakes. We just got to the Spanish Steps. Okay, I haven't vlogged much, but we just stopped for lunch because we were boiling. We went on like a double-decker bus to get out of the sun, but that honestly made it worse, didn't it?
Yes, it is.
So now our mum is with the kid. Gonna get some lunch, and we're right outside of the Pantheon. Do you know what's funny, Mum? He's like, my name's Mimo, and you said Mimo.
It's the same, it's just my accent.
No, you're like Mimo. Mimo.
I know border.
I completely forgot to update you, but we came back to the hotel. Mum's behind me. She is just eating her ice cream. So we went and got lunch. I'll insert a photo. I got a pizza, Mum got pasta, and then we went to the hotel just to cool down because we were literally so hot. We've come back out again because we're going to go to the supermarket to get some like Weet-Bix for the morning and stuff, just so we're not buying like all of our foods and stuff. And I think Mum wants to get stuff to make sandwiches. I just got some watermelon as a little bit of a treat because I'm obsessed with watermelon, as you guys know, and they literally have it everywhere here. Mum got a gelato. I wish I liked gelato. I don't like ice cream. It's a really weird thing about me, so I don't like liquidy foods. It's really weird, I know. But yeah, we're gonna go to the supermarket. So this is her in her glory. When we came here 11 years ago, there was way more restaurants like there. So I think a lot of it has closed down because of COVID, unfortunately. But yeah, and our hotel is just like literally right there. So this is how close we are to the piazza. Yeah, I just ordered fettuccine bolognese. I got fettuccine ragu yesterday. Mum got. I need to get these nails fixed. It's such a.
I got Hawaiian pizza. Well, maybe I should have.
Davide would be so mad at you right now. You have no idea who that is, but what did you get last time?
The carbonara.
Rigatoni carbonara. So Mum got rigatoni carbonara yesterday, and today you got spaghetti carbonara.
Yeah, because I didn't know what else to order. I won't have carbonara tomorrow.
I haven't had carbonara yet, besides when I finished Mum's off yesterday.
It's nice, but very salty because of the, what is it? The
Pancetta.
Yeah, pancetta.
I've literally only had fettuccine while I've been here. Like, I want to venture out because fettuccine is like my safe pasta. It's like probably the one that I get the most. Sorry. So I'm definitely gonna order some gnocchi, some cannelloni, some ravioli because I love a good ravioli. Okay guys, updates. The waiter has just given me his little card about the restaurant. This is it. So if you're ever in Rome, go here because he just asked if I was famous. And we said yes. So everyone lied to him. Honestly, if he saw my nails, he should know that I'm not famous. Alright, here is the pasta. I'm obsessed with this bowl. How cute is it? That's Mum's pizza. It's amazing. You guys, you can't even see me right now because we are down some random street. But we finished dinner and we are now just walking around. restaurants, and I really want a cannoli. I haven't had a cannoli this whole time since being here, and cannolis are literally my fave. I want a nice ricotta cannoli, so that's what we're gonna go get. I'm so excited. Alright guys, we found a cannoli place. Oh, that's so cool. Guys, this is the terrace of our apartment. Wow. Where do you want to sit? We're on the terrace. I just got a cannoli, my first cannoli of the trip. I'm so excited, I love cannolis. Here she is in all her glory. They have a lemon rind on it, which I don't really like. And whatever this is. This is like a sugared cherry. Ready? Sorry, girl. Good morning, everyone. I'm currently in the hotel room eating some Weet-Bix out of a mug. Today we're up early. You're not in it, Mum. Today we're up early to, not really, it's 8 o'clock. Because we're going to the Colosseum today and we've got a tour. So I'm just eating some Barocco.
What time is it? 8 o'clock already?
I don't know. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if there's any gentleman that watches. I do know of one gentleman that does watch. Actually, no, a lot of my comments aren't guys. So, hi, gentlemen. We are all ready. I'll show you guys my outfit. I'm kind of scared of... I don't want another wedding proposal today.
And I don't want to have to punch old men.
Yeah. This is what I'm wearing. I want to get a cute photo. Yeah. So I'm wearing this top from Glassons and this from Universal. We're in the taxi and we're off to the Colosseum. It's a hotel. Mum is having a Coca-Cola for breakfast while we wait for our tour group. There's the Colosseum. I just got some photos sitting there, but the lighting's not very good, so we're going to come back. Hopefully that's not too busy because this is like the main spot everyone comes and gets photos. Mum just ordered a cheese toastie. I was really good and had my Weet-Bix, so I'm saving money. Little Miss doesn't save money.
I'm going to buy a bowl and then I will have Weet-Bix tomorrow morning.
She just won't eat it out of the mug.
It's not a mug, it was a tiny cup. But
Yeah.
it's big.
Yeah, you just crush it. She's just high maintenance and I'm not. Guys, I just went to order water and I actually got this one and it's mineral water and I took a sip of it and oh my god, I nearly gagged.
Oh, you've got a hat.
Oh yeah, I spat it out on Mum's hat, sorry. It was disgusting. Who drinks mineral water? Something wrong with you. Alright guys, this is one of the I don't even know what this is. I probably should read. I have been reading though guys. It's the interior, oh no. I don't know what it is, I'm so sorry. Look how cool that is. So we're just at the tour group now. We're walking around. So the last time me and Mum were in Rome, I was 9. I don't know how old you were. It was 11 years ago. You were 22.
Yeah, well, 22 too.
So we did the Colosseum, but I actually remember a little bit of it, but not a lot. So it's cool to see again. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. So we saw like the parts where they used to. We saw where like they would bring the animals in. They had like lions, tigers, snakes. Elephants, giraffes, they said, and they said birds, yeah, eagles. Why some of like, obviously the Colosseum isn't like what it used to be. Some of it's like fallen down, and that was because of an earthquake. So yeah, we're learning a lot of history. I feel like maybe that's common knowledge that it was an earthquake, but I actually didn't know that. Did you know that?
No, I didn't. No,
Okay, maybe that's not common knowledge. Alright guys, this is like really good reference point. This is where we are, so a lot of it's like fallen down, like up there. The third gallery, is that what she called it?
Yeah.
And then as you can see some of the steps that the emperors used to sit on, or the people used to sit on, but they actually weren't there originally. The, what are they called? The architects moved them, so you could have a look. But down here is all, and over here is like, because there used to be a wooden floor that went over. And then here is all like the tunnels that the animals used to go through and the gladiators. Viewpoint. So I forgot to say, they also in like the wooden floor here had like trapdoors for the animals to come through. Alright guys, so we're walking down right now. We're gonna go get a salad for lunch at a place called Acai Sisters. So they sell acai, obviously that's where I went and got acai the other day, and they also have a salad bar that you can make your own salad. And we just tried to go to, I forget the name of the restaurant, but I'll tell you guys tonight because we're gonna go tonight. It's super famous on like Pinterest and TikTok, and I didn't even realize it was famous on Pinterest and TikTok. I just saw a photo of it on Pinterest and I was like, oh, I really want to go here because like the bowls look really cute and I love bowls. And then we actually stumbled across it because it's right near a hostel. It's right near a hotel. We're not staying at a hostel. And there was a massive line for it, and we're like, this must be like a popular restaurant, like if there's a big line for it. And then we realized it was that one, and then I did some Googling and it's quite popular. So, we're gonna go tonight and have a look. We tried to make a booking, but they don't do bookings, so we're just gonna walk in and hope for the best. Alright guys, we're back, so I'm gonna make my salad. It's just got my salad, it's got raisins in it, and I got tahini dressing instead of honey mustard. Alright guys, we're at the restaurant. I ordered cacio e pepe, and Mum ordered fettuccine ragu, which is what I've ordered literally every night, so I'm definitely excited to change it up. I've never had cacio e pepe. I'll show you guys the lady making the pasta. I'll show you guys Alright guys, our pasta has come. There's Mum's, there's mine. Just had dinner all together. It was nice. Like, you're not gonna get bad pasta in Italy, like, let's be real. Like, if we were in Melbourne, we'd probably rate it really high. But we've definitely had better pasta since being here, and it was more expensive than the other places because it's like a really popular place. Like, as I said, you usually have to wait. And the staff,
I didn't rate them.
they weren't that nice. So like, obviously it's like cool to go, but we wouldn't rush back or go back at all, to be honest. Now we're just walking around these random streets. We have no idea where we are, but they're really cute streets. I'm really happy that I got cacio pepe. I said I wanted to get a creamy dish, and she's gonna stare at me anymore. Said I wanted to get a creamy dish and like switch it up and not get ragu or bolognese, but I did finish Mum's bolognese, so I basically had it. Yeah, I would get like ravioli, but they give you like 5 raviolis when you order ravioli. Yeah, they don't give you a lot. So yeah, but actually tomorrow might be pizza day, because if we're only having one meal out, Mum,
Yes.
I might have to get pizza. Good morning, everyone. It's a bit later. It's a bit later today because we're FaceTiming Jackie. But we're going to the Pantheon today. We're going to do the catacombs and
A movie.
a movie. I'm wearing a like actual t-shirt today because the past few days, as you guys saw my outfits, they were slaying, but the comments from the men and the looks from the ladies were not slaying. Honestly, the men whatever, but the ladies that were death staring me, kind of rude. Like, I literally was just wearing a top. Guys, the best thing that just happened. So if you've been watching the vlogs for a long time, I've talked about them before, but if not, there's a fruit. My favorite fruit in the whole wide world is called prickly pears. Well, that's what they're called in English. The fruit that grows on cactuses, I'll insert a photo. They have prickles all over them, so you can't touch them. You have to cut them up, and they're the best fruit in the whole wide world, but they're really, really hard to find, especially in Australia. And they're only in season for like 1 month. Like, it's literally so hard, and I haven't had them in like a few years because I keep like missing out on the season that they're in. Anyway, they do have them like more in like Europe and stuff, but we just walked into like a small little Italian fruit shop, and I was like, do you have prickly pears? And she didn't know what I was talking about because I didn't think she spoke that much English. And I was like, the fruit on cactuses, and she pointed to them and she had some and was so excited, and she's gonna cut them up for me and put them in she said the freezer, but I'm assuming she meant the fridge.
Yeah.
And go back, and she was so cute. She was like this little nonna, and she was so sweet. So I'm so happy. She was like, how many do you want? 1? And I was like, all of them. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. If you're an OG viewer, you'll know. I wonder if anyone watching this has watched the vlogs when I've eaten them.
I don't know.
Let me know. DM me on Instagram or message me. if you guys remember, because I have a video where I talk about them. We're at the Pantheon. This is what she looks like. Hopefully there's no queue. So we're gonna go inside. I actually don't know what this is. Guys, we're inside the Pantheon. This is what she looks like. We're in reception because our room's getting clean, but I would try a prickly pear on camera for you. This is what they look like. This is them cut up. Obviously, they have skin on them usually. Literally the best fruit. The red ones are even sweeter. Like, they're so good. I think they're hard to find. Wow. Anyone knows where you can buy them in Australia? Like, literally anywhere in Australia, because I will travel. I'll fly there. Let me know. I'm out for lunch because we're gonna go to the catacombs, but they don't open till 2. I'm not even like that hungry, but well, I'm not hungry. I can always eat, but I just had some fruit. But I'm gonna get a pizza because I had pasta yesterday, and I love pasta, but I'm trying to switch it up. Mum's getting what are you getting again?
Colettis.
Mum's getting Colettis. I got a pizza 2 days ago and that was good. So we'll test it out, see what we like. Just got my pizza. Mum got her. I know they look cool. Finished. It was so good. We just got a taxi to the catacombs in Rome. Okay, we're going in, but you can't take videos or photos.
So we just have to explain it all to you.
We are now walking to the movies right now because we're going to go see Thor. Me and Mum are massive Thor fans. Well, we are Marvel fans. So we haven't been able to see this Marvel movie because obviously I've been away. So we're like, as soon as we see each other, we're going to see it. Just made it to the cinema. Mum just got an ice cream. Is it good? Do you like this one or the other one better?
I like this one better.
Yeah, and it looks less runny.
Like I said, that was best.